Swimmer's ear. Mary loved swimming and found peace in its rhythmic strokes. As a successful lawyer, her days were often hectic and demanding, but plunging into the pool's calming waters washed all her stress away. Swimming was more than a hobby for Mary, it was her sanctuary, a place to recalibrate her mind and rejuvenate her spirit. One evening, after a particularly long day, Mary met her friend Sarah for their routine swim. Gliding through the water, Mary confided, "Sarah, these laps are my lifeline. They keep me sane in this crazy, busy world." Sarah smiled in understanding. "It's your escape, your little piece of heaven." However, a few days later, Mary began experiencing an uncomfortable itching in her left ear. Initially dismissing it as a minor irritation, she continued her daily swims. But the itch soon turned into pain, leading her to constantly rub her ear. During their next swim, Sarah, a nurse, noticed and expressed concern. "Mary, you've been fidgeting with your ear a lot. Is everything okay?" Mary sighed. "I'm not sure. My ear has been really bothering me. It's quite painful now." Sarah looked worried. "It sounds like swimmer's ear, an infection caused by water remaining in your ear canal. The moisture can breed bacteria." Mary felt a wave of dismay. "Swimmer's ear? But swimming is my lifeline." "You should see a doctor," Sarah advised gently. "They can prescribe ear drops and you'll need to keep your ear dry. Taking a break from swimming is essential for healing." Mary, though reluctant, visited her doctor and received a diagnosis of swimmer's ear. The prescribed antibiotic ear drops meant a temporary halt to her swimming routine, leaving her feeling a profound sense of loss. At home, she shared her frustration with her husband. "Swimming is my escape. Without it, I feel like I've lost part of myself." Her husband, understanding her plight, suggested, "I know how much swimming means to you, but maybe this is a chance to explore other hobbies temporarily?" Taking his advice, Mary discovered the joys of morning walks and evening reading, finding new ways to relax and unwind. After a few weeks of treatment, Mary's ear healed completely. Returning to the pool, she shared with Sarah, "I never realized how much I took my well-being for granted until now." Sarah nodded. "It's easy to do. But look at you, back in your element and stronger for it." To prevent swimmer's ear recurrence, Mary adopted new habits. She started using earplugs while swimming and thoroughly dried her ears afterward. She also tilted her head to each side to let water drain and occasionally used a hair dryer on a low setting for gentle ear drying. Mary's experience with swimmer's ear taught her the importance of health care, even if it meant temporarily stepping away from her beloved swimming. With a newfound respect for her well-being, she cherished every return to the water more than ever.